Okay, so today we're on crude oil and we're going to use this asset to demonstrate a very simple strategy that A incorporates ITM Smart Money and two indicators that are part of the MetaTrader suite, which are fractals and the exponential moving average. This is a 21 period exponential moving average that you have undoubtedly seen before. And the strategy is extremely simple. You need to have everything lining up in the direction that's being pointed to by each and every indicator. Very simple to use. So a fractal will display a swing high or a swing low, and ITM Smart Money will simply show us bulls or bears being in control. So they have to line up in order for a trade to be considered high probability according to this strategy. So here we are looking at a potential low trade coming up because ITM Smart Money is in the red, indicating bears are in control and prices under the EMA and a fractal swing high. Okay, so stepping back in here to show you when a trade is not valid. This trade at the moment shows a fractal that's showing a swing low, but the price is under the EMA 21, which is 21 period exponential moving average, and ITM Smart Money says red. So we will not take a long trade as the fractals imply. Now, as you can see, not taking that trade was a good decision because ITM Smart Money indicated more bears in control. The fractal indicated a high trade coming up or a long trade. Price was under the EMA 21. Not a good setup to take. And as you can see, it would have resulted in a lost high trade. Okay, here's another example of a potentially bad trade. We're not going to take it for the following reasons. We see a swing high fractal when ITM Smart Money is blue, conflicting. So the fractal says go short, whereas Smart Money says bulls are in control. Plus the price is above the EMA, which again rejects the short trade idea. All right, so finally we have a trade setup that is promising. We're looking at a swing low fractal. The low fractal can be above the EMA. That's not a problem. Price has to be above the EMA. ITM Smart Money is also blue. So everything's lined up at the moment. Your next step here for this strategy to give you high probability setups is to wait for price to close in this current 1 minute candle. If the price stays above the EMA and does not go down to pierce or go through the body of the fractal candle, then this trade setup is valid. We're just going to prepare the chart here, prepare the platform, just putting in the numbers, not clicking buy yet. And the moment these next 20 or 30 seconds expire and a new candle appears is the point at which a trade should be taken because everything has been verified. ITM Smart Money won't change. That'll stay because that's a smart volume and price action directional indicator. But the fractal can change. So it doesn't look like it's going to change at the moment. Price is above the EMA. The fractal is perfectly fine. It hasn't been breached, so a new candle will now appear, and the platform's experiencing a bit of lag here. So we'll go ahead with the trade because price in the previous candle has not breached it. So we'll go and click buy now and engage in this trade. Again, the premises are everything must line up and ITM Smart Money must confirm the trade setup. Okay, we're back with roughly 8 seconds remaining in this trade. As you can see, price has stayed above the entry point most of the time, with the exception of touches and dips. That is pretty common on short time frames such as the M1 if you choose to trade this strategy on the M1. The good news is you can, of course, trade this strategy on higher time frames. You have to be very patient on the M1 time frame as it is, but on higher time frames, even more patience is required because on the M5, M15, and above time frames, signals are fewer in number. So if you want to execute many trading opportunities, you go with an M1 time frame where you'll get maybe 10 up to 10 opportunities an hour, which is quite a lot. Whereas the M5 will give you fewer, M15 will give you even fewer, and so on. So as long as all the indicators line up, fractals and the EMA and ITM Smart Money all say the same thing, you are in a good position to engage in a trade. The rules are extremely simple. You must have a swing low accompanied by price being above the EMA 21 and ITM Smart Money being blue. Or the flip side, you must have a swing high accompanied by price being below the EMA 21 and ITM Smart Money being red. Very simple, using two factory indicators supplied with MetaTrader 4 and ITM Smart Money that you can get through us. Thank you.